Hello, what does Booneri Cart have in store? Take a look at this. I hate the word sorry. What is it that I hate the most? The word sorry. What does this mean? To illustrate, look at this quote. Suppose you're walking along the way and you come across a hearing person. When he or she comes to know that you are deaf, their reaction is instantly feeling sorry for you. Why? Why this suffering to you? Why God let that happen to you? You are at the receiving end of a pitiful reaction. You are bombarded with such feelings of pity or sympathy. But that's enough. We don't need any sorry. This is who I am, and I'm happy about it. Being deaf can be viewed optimistically. There's no need for people's sorry. Now, consider wearing a t shirt with the same quote on it. When you walk along the path and meet a hearing person, instantly this quote is what comes to their mind and they perceive it better. Look at another quote. What's this? Indian Sign Language has its own grammar. Sign language is no mere bodily gesture or weird hand movements of a mentally challenged person as apparently viewed by some. Sign language has its own grammar. Literal translation from English to signs is not what we are talking about. Sign language is based on its own grammar incorporating natural signs. Wearing a t-shirt with this quote will enable others to see, know, and give recognition to Indian Sign Language as well. What's this? All hearing people can hear with their ears. Their intellectual abilities are enhanced as they can listen with their ears. But what about a deaf person? Oh, the same is not possible for deaf. It's a real challenge for them. No way. For the deaf, signs are to their eyes just the same way how words are to the ears. The intellectual ability of deaf also can be enhanced with their amazing perception of what they see with their eyes. Yes, indeed it's possible. Sporting a t-shirt with this quote will give hearing people the exposure to understand that even the deaf can. What does this mean? For instance, hearing ones form an opinion that deaf can't do all that hearing can. It's not possible for them. They can't do it. They can't progress. So many other prejudiced views of not being able to do something. But no, deaf ones are equally skilled and competent. They too can read, learn, get trained, taught, discreetly make choices and become qualified individuals like doctors, engineers, leaders, etc. Hearing and deaf stand at par with each other. Wearing a t-shirt with this quote will impress others that a deaf too can accomplish just as a hearing person can. Sporting such t-shirts with these quotes will allow others to change their views. No longer will they consider deafness as a suffering. If you want these t-shirts, buy them soon. How and where do you get this online? Call on the number shown below for help and share it with all your friends. Thank you.